Stroke alert. Know the early warning signs. Identify the early warning signs of a stroke in real time and share what you need to look out for. When it comes to stroke awareness, recognizing the early warning signs is crucial for saving lives. In fact, the American Heart Association estimates that nearly 800,000 people in the U.S. experience a stroke each year, resulting in over 140,000 deaths. The statistics are staggering, and it's time we take action to educate ourselves and others on the signs to look out for. Identifying a stroke quickly is a challenge many of us face. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, only about 38% of patients arrive at the hospital within the recommended 3-hour window for optimal treatment. This is alarming because time is of the essence when it comes to stroke treatment. The longer it takes to get medical attention, the higher the risk of serious complications, including permanent brain damage, disability, or even death. In many cases, people may not even realize they're experiencing a stroke, and that's what makes it so critical to know the signs. I've spoken to many individuals who've had near-miss experiences or have lost loved ones to strokes, simply because they didn't recognize the warning signs in time. Unfortunately, this lack of awareness is not only confined to the general public. Even medical professionals can find it difficult to diagnose strokes quickly, especially in cases where symptoms are mild or seemingly unrelated to the brain. The good news is that there are distinct signs to look out for, and I'm about to share them with you. The acronym FAST is a great way to remember the most common symptoms: face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulties, and time to call emergency services. The F in F.A.S.T stands for facial drooping. If someone's face is drooping or numb on one side, it could be a sign of a stroke. Ask the person to smile, and if their smile is uneven or lopsided, don't hesitate to act. Arm weakness is another crucial sign to look out for. If someone's arm is weak or numb, it could indicate a stroke. Ask the person to raise both arms, and if one arm drifts downward or can't be lifted, it's time to call for help. The S in FAST stands for speech difficulties. If someone's speech is slurred, unclear, or confused, it could be a sign of a stroke. Ask the person to repeat a simple sentence, and if they struggle or can't speak, don't delay. Call emergency services immediately. Time is of the essence when it comes to stroke treatment. The faster you act, the better the chances of recovery and minimization of long-term damage. If you suspect someone is having a stroke, don't waste a single minute. Call emergency services right away. In 2019, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association revealed that for every 15-minute delay in administering clot-busting medication, the risk of adverse outcomes increased by 1.3%. This statistic is staggering, and it highlights the critical importance of prompt action when it comes to stroke treatment. One powerful real-life story that really drives this point home is the story of a woman named Sarah. Sarah was just 35 years old when she experienced a sudden, severe headache that left her unable to speak or move. Luckily, her husband recognized the signs and called emergency services immediately. Thanks to his quick thinking, Sarah received timely treatment and made a remarkable recovery. Stories like Sarah's serve as a sobering reminder of the importance of recognizing stroke signs and seeking help without delay. By knowing what to look out for, we can empower ourselves and others to take control of our health and make a difference in the lives of those around us. To recap, recognizing the early warning signs of a stroke is crucial for saving lives. Remember the acronym FAST, and don't hesitate to act if you suspect someone is having a stroke. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you or someone you know experienced a stroke? What do you think is the most important thing people should know about stroke awareness? Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones and check out my other videos on health topics for more valuable information.